Spade SB-66, Spade Nutrition's Superfoods Blend Supplement. Spade SB-66 by Spade Nutrition is a superfood blend that offers over 50 nutrient-rich ingredients with 3 primary taste bud rewriting complexes in the new health supplement. Not only is the Spade Superfoods blend loaded with 50 plus 100% high-quality plant-based natural foods that is dehydrated and powdered, but the Spade Nutrition Company and licensed medicine practitioner, Dr. Dan Larke, supply a ton of research and terminology about the new Stanford study discovery of identifying the fat-forming hormone. How to slow down or even stop the formation of new fat cells, which can be a great feat for those looking to lose weight. SB-66 to stop hormonal weight gain and lose weight? Spade SB-66 is a supplement that consumers can use to help reduce the hormone production that causes the body to gain and retain weight while pushing for weight loss. What is Spade SB-66 Superfoods Blend? Spade SB-66, developed by Dr. Dan Larke of Spade Nutrition, explained that the hormone has been programmed for centuries to deal with certain nutrition, but not the nutrition of today. With the use of Spade SB-66, a hormone called ADAMS1 and the stress hormone cortisol can diminish to open the door for weight loss. What are the Spade SB-66 ingredients? As the creators of this remedy say that a supplement exclusively made of this ingredient is not potent enough, they use a version called KSM-66. The Spade Nutrition website says this specific form of ashwagandha extract even won Nutra Ingredients Asia's Sports Nutrition Ingredient of the Year award in 2018. The KSM-66 is where Spade SB-66 name comes from and also contains other ingredients to round out the effects, including here is a complete look at the supplement facts found on the Spade SB-66 Superfoods Blend Supplement. They are acacia, alfalfa, apple, apricot, ashwagandha, asparagus, banana, beet, blackberry, blueberry, broccoli, Brussels sprout, carrot root, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, cherry, chlorella, cinnamon bark, cranberry, cucumber, coconut milk powder, enzyme blend, ginger root, grapes, green bell pepper, green tea extract, inulin, kale, maitake mushroom, mangosteen, magnesium beta-hydroxybutyrate, orange, parsley, pineberry, pomegranate, quinoa sprouts, raspberry, reishi mushroom, shiitake mushroom, sodium copper chlorophyllin, spinach, spirulina, strawberry, tomato, turmeric, vitamin C from acerola cherry extract, vitamin E, youre leaf and wheatgrass. How much does Spade SB-66 supplement cost? 1 canister for $57, $52 with subscription, 3 canisters for $149 or $49.66 each, 6 canisters for $239 or $39.83 each. If the robust formula doesn't work for the user, they have up to a year to return the formula for a refund. What is KSM-66? KSM-66 is a Withania somnifera root extract is made by Ixorial that is a highly purified version of ashwagandha, along with containing reishi mushrooms, mangosteen, and green tea extract. Spade SB-66 contains KSM-66, 6 blends of greens, and 2 hormone-regulating blends. How do you prepare Spade SB-66? Mix 1 scoop of the Spade SB-66 powder with water or any other beverage. Who is Spade Nutrition's Dan Larke? Dr. Dan, or Dr. Daniel Larke, developed Spade Nutrition's SB-66 Superfoods Blend Supplement formula. As an advocate for eating natural foods as a plant-based nutritionist, he also runs an active physician practice called Thrive Regenerative Medicine, which Times Media Group voted #1 body improvement and best men's wellness provider in Chandler, Arizona for the 2019 calendar year. What is Spade Nutrition SB-66 Superfoods Blend? This hormone plays a major role in creating new fat cells. In other words, the primary job of ADAMS1 is to regulate the formation of new fat cells from the stem cells available to the body. ADAMS1 tells your stem cells to become new fat cells. In other words, this is enabling, thus stopping the creation of new fat cells and accelerating the release stored fat. Therefore, this is leading to not only blocking your body's ability to make new fat cells, but it also supports a healthy metabolism.